We turboed this piece of shit Ford Falcon so you don't have to. But before it gets tuned, it needs to be serviced because I don't think this car's been serviced for 100 and something thousand Ks, and it only has 130,000 Ks.
So we're gonna do oil, filter, we're gonna get some new plugs in and gap them down.
Yep.
I need to fix the oil line because it is questionable. I'm gonna try and redo this a little bit more, unjankify it.
Unjankify it, yeah. A lot of you guys have been saying that we need an intercooler in the last video.
Nah.
We don't need an intercooler. No one needs anything.
It helps, but you don't need it.
You don't need it. So we're just gonna pump straight, like hot turbo air straight into the motor. Should be right.
It's gonna make like at least 800, I think.
Yeah, I was gonna say 9.
9
minimum.
Maybe we get some nitrous on it.
Yeah. Sure, yeah.
All right, man.
All right.
You know the saying? Ain't nothing to it but to do it.
All right, so we've gone and grabbed our favorite Penrite oils and stuff and a filter, oil filter, so that we can give a nice service to this immaculate Ford Falcon. And then also Daniel's gonna be maybe fixing up.
I'm gonna be assembling things.
Assembling things and doing mechanical things.
First, Richard, for the people at home watching, can you please explain what 15W40 means?
Yeah. It means 15 degrees west minus 40 degrees west.
And what does that mean?
And what does that mean? That means that traveling east with this oil is so much better. I don't like it when you put me on the spot, Daniel. I don't know these things, I need to Google them. So while Daniel is going to be doing this, I'm going to be jacking off the car, jacking up the car, changing the oil, which, contrary to popular belief, I've not actually done at all, ever. So it's a learning experience.
I believe it.
You believe it? I don't believe it. So I'm going to be doing that, and it's a learning experience, and I'm going to take you guys with me. Daniel, do it all for me, please. Daniel, do it for me. So all we have at the warehouse is this 5-litre catcher to catch the oil, and there's about 7 litres in there. There's probably less than 7 in there. Hopefully the Forg gods have blessed us and it doesn't spill out. So I'm gonna go underneath the car. I'm assuming from the videos that I've seen, Chris fix. There's a plug. I'm gonna take the plug off, drain it into here. Is that right? Daniel? Yeah, all right, here we go, let's go. So Daniel is here and he's going to be welding in right now.
What am I welding in?
You're welding in the O2 sensor. Yeah, baby. I keep looking at it, right in the middle. All right, let's get under the car. Hopefully the stands hold because the rusty jack points are not looking the best. Oh my God, if this thing gets yellowed, it'll never go over the pits. All right, let's get underneath it and let's figure out what we're doing. All right. Woo! Look at me go, Daniel, I'm doing it.
Yeah?
I'm doing it. Call me a mechanic, the way I drop this oil.
I'll just call you Richy.
Oh. And then I wait till all the oil is drained and then take the filter out?
Just like my energy when I'm around you.
Your energy when you're around me, man, I boost you up. Okay? I'm like an angel for you. Don't you dare drop anything underneath me. Look at me go. I'm such a mechanic, man. Now, the oil of a car... Oh, why is it all shiny?
What, the oil?
No, it's a bit brown.
It'll be brown, but there'll be like metallic-y bits in it.
Yeah, I think there is a couple shine. There's like goldy bits.
Oh, gold. Gold is not good.
Nah, it's alright. Looks like a coffee. Now that there's a little bit of left oil dripping down, I'm gonna try and take the filter out. Oh, Jesus. Oh God. Here we go, some oil. I know it's getting full, shut up. Ooh! Look at me go! Daniel, are you proud of me? All right, so with the new... Daniel! Shut up! I'm trying to educate people. Daniel, don't. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Fucking hell. Anyway, so new filter has been acquired. Daniel, shut up. New filter has been acquired. Now, if you don't know, dip your finger in the old oil. Boonk. Make sure you get all the metal shavings. And you just want to run it right around. And you just want to give it a nice good rimming. Shh, Daniel, I do know all these things. Right around the rim of the seal. And then just put it back in. Make sure your head doesn't go inside. Spin it over and hand tight it. Ah, perfect. And make sure you put the bolt back in. Ah, perfect. Now you also want to make sure that you dispose of the old oil properly. Bunnings bucket. Shiny Wundun oil. Oh, yummy. You can see the sparkles. Oh, now look at that oil. Oh, if you look closely, you can see the shine. Yes, Dagnall.
Why does oil go black?
Because it's old.
But why does it go black?
Because it's old.
But why does that happen?
Because it's gone through the engine and the engine's dirty.
How does the engine get dirty though?
From all the combustion. Yeah, you're upset that I've got that correctly, aren't you?
From the carbon.
The carbon fiber.
Yes.
I'm such a big squishy in here that other people are intimidated by how big my squish is. All right, we've figured out the error in our ways. The oil cap is here. Also, so is our amazing intercooler. Yes, so we're gonna have to get this off. Daniel's gonna have to take all this off just so we can get to it. Thanks, Dagnall, I appreciate you, bye. Now it's time to fill up the oil. We don't have a funnel, or Dan's hiding one from me, so I'm gonna have to try and not spill it. All right, this is totally gonna fall. What do we do if it's... Oh no, I've already spilt it.
Richard.
Daniel.
Just make sure the camera's in a spot where you can see everything.
Your arm is in the way, get out of the way. Second attempt. First attempt didn't go so well. Second attempt, it's gonna go better.
No, it's not.
I'm so nervous. Shut up, Daniel. Off. Okay.
Richard, stop.
I was getting it in.
Turn it sideways.
Oh, okay.
And tip it like that.
Shut up. Stop making me laugh. Stop making me laugh.
Richard.
Stop, I'm doing it. Stop making me laugh. Oh, this is so much easier than I thought.
Richard, what the fuck, man?
We'll just turn it on.
Look
and...
how much you spilled. You put it in the fucking spark plugs.
No! Is there a lot of oil?
Yeah, what do you mean is there a lot of oil?
I think I wasted like a litre. All right, I'm just gonna let it all out. Oh shit. That looks like honey. That's way nicer than the oil that I took out.
Richard.
Oh, fuck off. I mean fudge. Oh, Daniel, why are you getting me to do this? We need to invest in a funnel.
Have you never made a funnel?
With paper? Yes.
Richard. Oh my lord, bro.
Yeah,
Richard.
wow.
What the hell, man?
I don't know what I'm doing.
There's no oil left in it. It's all under. The amount you poured down in here, it's all gonna be under the fucking cover, so now you need to fix it.
Nah. Should be right. Just turn it on and let it burn. That'll be right. That'll work. Alright.
We got to do spark plugs anyway, so I mean you can clean in there while you're there.
Oh, that's way nicer. Oh yeah.
ASMR spillage. I can't believe you spilled that much.
It's so slippery. Oh no!
Richard.
Oh. What do we do? Hose it? It's so moist.
What are you doing, Daniel? scuffing it up.
Scuffing it up. Why? Making it look pretty. So I didn't realize how much oil I'd actually spilt, but we wiped it down, put a bunch of degreaser in. Daniel also told me to put a bunch of degreaser straight in there because it'll help break down the oil. So
it flows better.
So it flows better. Yeah, it should be right. Let's just put some more in, just to be sure. Just to be sure.
Richard, what are you doing?
What do you mean?
That's not how you do it. You do it like this.
Oh. Now that should very easily break down the oil in there that we've now put in. Look how nice that looks. Let's just run it without the cover. Are they the rocket bunny cover? What are they called? The bunny cover.
Huh? These ones are actually Pandem.
Pandem covers.
Yeah.
Pandem bunny cover. All right, cool. I know you're with me. I know you are, Dagnall.
You know how we polish it?
Yeah. How? Whoa! Oh, whatever. I don't even care anymore. I can't stop you. You know what? That looks absolutely shite. It looked good for like 2 seconds and now it's just... That's right, man. We all have performance issues sometimes. Is that fixing it? Yeah. All right, now. These Iridium spark plugs that I got. Installed.
You'll crack them.
Oh.
You probably need new ones now. They're made of ceramic. It's like throwing a plate.
Just put them on anyway.
You do it.
All right, I got it out. Look at the sand on that. What the? Yep, I reckon this engine can handle a turbo. So here is the old spark plug full of sand. Not sure why. And this is the new Iridium spark plug, which hopefully I have not cracked because I've been throwing them around. Should be right. This one's not too bad. No sand. So now that the spark plugs have been replaced, the rocker cover's been put on, we can now put in our hot air intake with the like 30 clamps that we've now put on. All right, so I know what you're thinking. Richie, your fitment is weak AF. And that's exactly what Daniel told me. So I couldn't stand him bullying me anymore. So I hit up our good friends at Max Speeding Rod. They sent us these 35mm wheel spacers. So again, a massive shout out to Max Speeding Rods for being there for us, sending us out really whatever we need. So just want to say thank you, we appreciate you. If you guys want to go out, grab anything from their website, make sure to use the code TUFF TOUGH for 10% off anything in their store. Links are down in the description. If you want to make your car look just as tough as this piece of garbage Falcon, or make it look better, make sure to check out Max Speeding Rods. Now let's install these insanely big spacers. There you go, Daniel.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome, man. You do it. Let me jack the car up. Where the hell does this jack up? Where do I jack it up?
On the rust bit.
It's all...
Just jack it up wherever. It doesn't matter. It's a piece of shit. Wheel.
Wheel.
We're probably going to have to roll the guards a bit.
No. What are you doing?
I'm going to roll them.
No, Daniel, stop it. Oh. Oh my God. I swear I love this car. There's no guard left. Yeah. It's all on the floor.
It rusted away.
Daniel, teach me how to install these Max Speeding Rod spacers.
Done.
Is that it?
Literally.
Wow, that's so simple.
Even Richie could do it.
Even a Richard could do it.
And to prove that,
I'm not going to do it.
3.
No. I'll do the next one. Now for the wheel.
All right, now drop it down very slowly.
Whoa! Whoopsies. Whoa! Look at the fitment. Oh no. That's too little.
Go jack it up a bit. All right, Richie. Drop it down.
All right.
Wow. Perfect.
Perfect. Look at that fitment though. Yo, I'm not gonna, whoa. I'm just gonna say it. That looks pretty good.
I mean, apart from dog dip paint and wheel colour. Alright, on to the next one.
On to the next one. So that was it, guys. The Forg now has good fitment. I reckon, what do you think? You starting to like the Forg? The Wundun?
I'm gonna like it when it sends a rod to space.
Yeah, I did see a video of one sending one to space, but I have hopes. I have hopes in this old girl. I just want to say another massive thank you to Max Speeding Rods for sending us out the turbo and the 35mm space. If you guys want anything, make sure.
And the oil line.
And the oil line.
That we are replacing.
That we are replacing.
Because we've already broke it.
Yeah, we've broken it. So, well, whoop, womp,
Womp.
womp. So,
They make good plates. Womp womp.
they would make good plates, womp womp. Wow, if someone snagged them up, that'd be pretty cool. Anyway, if you guys want to grab anything from Max Speeding Rods' website, make sure to use the code TUFF, T-U-F-F.
T-U-F-F.
Yes, T-U-F-F for 10% off the entire store. If you are not subscribed yet to the channel, what are you doing? You do not want to miss when this gets out onto the dyno and possibly dies.
I mean, not fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed it stays
alive.
alive.
It would be very cool to drive this around, but
I don't know. I'm
man.
like 65% sure it might die. But
that's pretty good odds.
Yeah. For those 35%, I'm there. I'm in. We will be dynoing it. Or it will
Couple
possibly,
days.
yeah, in a couple days.
What do you reckon it's going to make?
Yeah, comment down below. What do you think it's going to make? I think I'm aiming high at 350.
I reckon 800. We just send it 40 pounds.
40 pound goes straight into
One run.
Yeah, that's
One
it.
done.
One run, one done.
Done.
That's it. All right. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.
I guess.
Yeah. Peace out.
Peace. Subscribe.
Subscribe.